What's going on? This is a good moment, isn't it?
This is a magic moment because we just picked our little Mavi up from the repair joint, and they've got a new camera in it. Look how stable that camera is. So we'll be able to, when we get back to Mexico next month, we will be able to do some drone footage again. So pretty excited.
There's me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. What's happening?
Because a lot of our driving is in remote areas way away from cities, we've currently got a little 1-foot antenna. I'm going to put the big mother in so I can listen to the news and weather and stuff while we're in the desert.
And do you want to tell us what you got up to with the things yesterday when you went and did some work on the truck?
Yes,
truck update.
Big day.
It's not a truck, I keep calling it a truck. It's a ute.
It's a ute. I put
Right.
an awning on,
Yeah.
which is 2.5 metre awning, comes out 3 metres, gives us a bit of shade and coolness. The shade, yeah. Sand flag is up. What else did I do? Whole day.
Oh, you did a filter on the engine?
Oh yeah. These new modern V8 diesels run what's called a common rail diesel injection system, which runs under extreme high pressure. And where we go out in the desert, sometimes you do get fuel which is not the cleanest. And if that goes through your fuel system, and it'll chew out your injectors pretty quickly. So we put in this secondary fuel cleaning system, just like we've got in the boat. In fact, in the boat we've got 3, and on this vehicle now we've got the primary and a secondary fuel filtering system. So I put that in yesterday. I put in the mount there for the sand flag, and another fire extinguisher behind the driver's seat.
And one on my side.
Yeah, one on Wendy's. Just bits and pieces, just been going through, making sure everything's all tickety-boo, ready for the off on Thursday.
Are we going Friday?
Friday, yeah.
And it's
Friday.
Tuesday today.
It's Tuesday, yeah.
So it's nearly time to go.
A couple of days. So I've got a bit of work to do today, a bit of work to do tomorrow, and then we'll provision and then head off. A bit like sailing, really. You get it ready and you provision, and because like sailing, it's a week or so between stops. Same when you cross Australia. It's not like there's a little village every hour or two. There's one section we'll be going 4 days without seeing a single fuel outlet, shop, anything. And generally you don't even see people in those 4 days. So it's fairly remote. So getting all that sorted out. New tyres should arrive today, so hopefully get them mounted on the ute tomorrow, and then step by step we'll be ready for Friday. That's all I've got to say about that.
What are you doing?
Just need to get access to the back of the radio to run the new coaxial cable through. So luckily these new Land Cruisers, they just pop apart. You just pull all the sections out, no screws, clips or anything. It's all pretty easy. Yeah, nice and easy to work on.
This isn't the new screwdriver, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
yes. We just got this toolkit here. So this is our new socket set, etc., for the ute. And these kits are really good. So we bought a few of them over the years. This is not an ad. Lots of cables.
That's what you're doing, it.
What are you doing? You're putting in...
Ah, it's missing the earth.
Oh.
It's alright, it'll just help keep the interference out of it if you connect that.
It's another train smash. What are you doing? What's this? The aerial antenna.
You're just taking the old one off.
Ooh la la. New one's going in.
Ask for me screwdriver, please.
Where is it?
On top of the intercooler.
Which way's the
Next to the
intercooler?
flux converter.
Oh, for God's sake.
Right.
So it's all on now. Schmick.
Got a connector.
Yeah. See, now it goes through into the car.
Yeah.
It's going to come out here. What are you doing? Attaching them together.
I'm attaching the new one to the old one.
Yeah.
So that I can pull the new one through with the old one.
And there's a name for that, isn't there?
Well, it's like a mouse, isn't it?
Tracing or something? I think
It's
there's
Wendy's
a name.
name for it
I think
anyway.
there's a name, like, I don't know, leading a cable, or it's got a name.
Right, your job, should you choose to accept it,
Yeah.
is to feed this old cable through
Okay.
the grommet.
Okay.
You'll stick your hand in here, you'll feel the grommet,
Yeah.
and basically just follow that through.
Yep.
And then I'll pull it through the other side.
Okay.
Whatever you do,
Yep.
don't make it so that it breaks.
Okay. Me working. Wow, that's rare.
What are
On
you doing,
film.
man?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm pushing the cable through the grommet, apparently, but it's got stuck on the what's
You
it?
gotta push harder.
Well, it's got stuck. That's
Stop.
jammed. That's the fat bit.
It's just like when you're in hospital delivering a baby,
Well, the
you gotta
grommet's
push harder.
tiny.
Yeah,
I don't think you'll fit through that grommet. The grommet's like half the size of the cable.
it'll fit through.
I'm pushing. I'm not a very good TA.
Yeah, I'll have a crack.
You see if you can get it through. I bet you'll pull it out and you go, oh, that's too fat, that doesn't fit. Will it fit?
I don't know what you were trying to do. You're trying to get all that through that little grommet.
Yes.
No way in the world,
You told
Wendy.
me it would fit. What are you doing?
Putting some green tomato sauce.
Yeah. To loosen things up a bit. You nearly there?
Yep, I'm about as close as Christmas is, darling. There we go.
Did you forget to put a bit in?
No, that's spares.
Shiny new antenna.
What's happening, Wen?
I'm making a biryani. You know, how old is this? 28-year-old stove that's a little bit rusty and sad. Not sad, but used and loved. Yeah, in the bush for this is our first time we've cooked, so everything's a bit all over the shop, but we'll get it sorted.
Our first night of our trip
Yeah.
across Australia.
With all different gear and yeah, so we're sort of muddling through a bit
It's pitch black.
until we get it sorted.
Yeah, it's all good. The curry tonight. Just
Correct. Curry in a
just for
hurry
change.
in the bush. Look at this tree. I don't know if you can see that tree, but that tree is spectacular.
It is spectacular.
Yeah. It's like Magnus's phone holder, but it's not just a phone holder, it's an amplifier. Well, this is the camp spot that we stayed at last night, just down from the wind farm, which is where we did the live thingo. It's very peaceful here this morning. I'll show you the pool. Very still waters this morning. You can swim in there. We came here about 20 years ago and swam in there. It was a bit warmer. It's called Ellen Pool. Picnic tables and camping. That's, what's it called, that? Disappointment Bay.
Disappointment Loop.
Disappointment Loop over there on the right.
And this roadblock's called Useless Loop.
A useless loop. So we're heading to... Where are we heading to?
Steep Point.
Steep Point, that's right, which is the westernmost place in Australia, which is where we're sort of starting from, really, I suppose.
Westernmost point of mainland Australia. If we take its territories into account, there's Christmas Island and there's Cocos Island and all the other territories, but it's the westernmost point of mainland Australia.
The dunes are getting taller and taller. Well, that's quite spectacular.
Beautiful.
What's going on now? It's a bit windy out there.
Very windy. I just had some lunch and we are just about to head off into the sand dunes. After a while, the road's pretty good up for a little while, and then you get into the sand.
So we've got to the fun bit now. Here we are, we're just about to head up here. Let the games begin. No shooting cats and dogs. What's going on?
Turn the tyres down a bit, getting ready to hit some dunes.
This is what's the other in the other direction. End of the road.
So that is South Passage, and this little bay we're going to come around to here is Shelter Bay. So the island you see over on your right is Dirk Hartog Island, named after Dirk Hartog, who was a Dutch explorer who landed there. And this passage here, we're going to sail down in Nutshell one day.
We're on the beach.
Yeah.
We've just got here. Just going to check in. Pay the fee and go and find someone's camp. Shelter Bay. We made it. Say something?
We made it.
We did.
Wind might be a bit windy in the microphone, but we made it.
Oh well.
Here we are, Wen.
I know.
It's going to be a bit noisy in the microphone, but you get that. But
Very windy.
this is the start of our trip across Australia. It's very windy.
Yeah.
And this is where we are now, the westernmost point, and the end of the trip will end at the easternmost point. So here we go, off on another adventure. See ya.